Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to withdraw money from Venmo to your bank account. So along the very bottom there, you'll see multiple tabs. You're going to click on the profile section or the me section along the bottom right. And as you can see there, I have a Venmo balance of $64.51. I'm going to withdraw my money from Venmo to my bank account. Okay, so I'm going to click on manage balance. And then right there, you have a couple options, but at the top it says transfer to bank. So I'm gonna click on that. So right here, I have the option to transfer instantly. However, I'll be charged 1.75% as a fee with a maximum of $25, or I could be charged no fees and get my money within 1 to 3 business days. So I'm gonna opt into that option. And along the bottom, you can see transfer to. I'll have my banking information edited out, but that is where you're going to choose your bank account. If you don't have a bank account linked to your Venmo account, that is where you enter it in. But at the very bottom, you can see transfer $64.51. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, the transfer has been initiated, and now you can see that I have a balance of $0 in my Venmo account. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.